Hey, what's up everyone, it's your pal Oliver is awesome back here again
with Caleb.
And welcome back to some more Sonic Boom Fire and Ice. Last time we did Seaside Island and now we're going to be kicking off Paleo Tarpits. I still have no idea what that says. But let's go on and get into this.
Definitely connected to all this.
Thanks for that information, Tails. I'm pretty sure we all know the little robot's definitely connected to all of this. I'm pretty sure we figured that out.
You could see it from space.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. Oh no, did I miss a hammer part? I think I did. Yeah, there's definitely a hammer down there. Let me just go ahead and grab that. I really like the Sonic Boom franchise. I wish there was more of it. I'm sorry, am I missing something there? Right. I praise a video game and it fails me. Nice. Anyway, what I was trying to get onto, I kind of wish there was more to the Sonic Boom franchise, you know?
Yeah, like a season 3.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
I mean, I don't know why they didn't really do it, because I know Sonic Boom wasn't very good when it comes to the video games, but I thought the show gave it a better reputation to an extent, so I don't really know why they didn't do it. It doesn't really make any sense to me at all why they didn't go for the season 3. Maybe Fire and Ice didn't really give it enough demand.
Now, that does make a lot of sense, actually. But I just wish there was more to the Boom universe, because we only really got the 3 video games and the 2 seasons of the TV show. And I loved the Sonic Boom TV show, and I also really loved Shattered Crystal, and I'm not ashamed to admit it either.
I mean, what's not to like about Shattered Crystal? Other than the forced backtracking.
Alright, let's go after that robot.
After the robot, let's hurry.
Yeah, he just walked past you.
That's unbelievable. We saw him go away, and suddenly when we hit the next level, he's like, "There's the robot! Let's hurry!"
I mean, is Sonic really that bright?
No, he's not. Not in the slightest.
Yeah, I think I could have done more with the Sonic Boom franchise.
I mean, Sonic Boom at the end of the day wasn't very popular, so I get why they ended it, but in reality, the only bad part of it was Rise of Lyric on Wii U.
Yeah, that's all. That's the only bad part of the franchise that... That's the only part of the Boom universe that actually did it any harm, because even Shattered Crystal actually did it some favour. But honestly, I think all the hate from Shattered Crystal really came from is the backtracking, like the forced exploration. Because this game, although it lacks the exploration, it still has some flaws of its own. Like Fire and Ice, this game isn't perfect, but it did cut out a lot of problems people had with Shattered Crystal, and I get why most people might not like the backtracking. But Shattered Crystal is still a fairly decent game, even with it.
Yeah.
And that's why I like Shattered Crystal so much, because it's fun.
I suppose at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter how popular a franchise is, just as long as you enjoy yourself while playing it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. As long as you have fun while you're playing it, shouldn't have much difficulty here. Just got to zoom. I've got to admit, I do like... Seriously? Oh my god. I've got to admit, I do like the layout of this. But the challenge room layout I'm seeing here right now looks actually rather pretty. But then again, Shattered Crystal has some very good designs as well.
Rise of Lyric had some quirks of its own. Like, I know Rise of Lyric was probably the worst of the Sonic Boom universe, but it does have some perks and advantages.
Really? Like what?
Well, the graphics were beautiful.
Huh. Anything else?
It had a very nice soundtrack as well. And the storyline was kind of funny at times.
Yeah. I mean, I did enjoy Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal quite a lot. Hence the reason I'm doing this. And that was instantly the longest boost I think I've done in this game in years. Alright, we'll just click on. Okay, I'm really glad that didn't kill me, because I have no idea how I could have avoided that.
Oh, yeah.
And I got nearly everything in the stage. Hammer parts collected. Visit Amy's house. Yes, I'm aware of that. Sticky situation. What's this?
This little guy is definitely protecting these fissures. Why is it so animals on Mushroom Hill in the first place?
Sonic Generations reference. I think. Oh, this looks serious.
As if he had a chance.
His chances just got a little better.
Oh no, I think I've just remembered what this boss fight is. Okay. This is going to be adequate. Let me just zoom out a little bit here. There we go. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. Is this looking familiar to anyone? Yep. You've got to get that at the right timing, because if you don't, that thing's going to eat you alive. Come on. Yeah. Oh! Seriously? Also, it's ideal to not die during these boss fights, because if you do, you have to start the whole fight over again. And we ain't about that life. What? What? Oh, it does save your progress in the fight. I didn't think it did. Okay, deep breath. Okay. Oh god, no. Okay, there we go. I've got 3 rings now. I should be fine. Oh god. Oh, come on, mate. That milkshake ain't getting any more shook up. What?
You gotta keep away from the bubbles. They can kill you.
I don't really see how this is fair. Maybe it's Fire and Ice that killed the Boom series.
I don't know. I've played Rise of Lyric.
Okay. I'm not going anywhere near those things. Oh, seriously. Come on. Right. Come on, one more hit, man, and then he's done for. Yes! God, I hate that boss fight. I hate it with a roaring passion. Bye-bye, you big robot thing. Right.
This time I'm going to finally humiliate you.
Hello, we've got another race. Okay. Mechanized Meltdown. I haven't actually played the races in these games in this game after beating them. So I actually forgot they were a thing, so I'm surprised I'm actually good at them. Right. Right. What happens if you lose these races?
You don't progress onward.
Oh. Okay. Well, I figured that out. But does Sonic say anything?
No, not really. He just glares at you.
Oh. Okay. Well, that was imaginative.
Yeah. I know because I used to... I know that because I used to lose at the races all the time.
Oh.
I didn't even get past the first one without losing, actually.
Oh.
You made the right choice spin dashing just then. He's right on your tail.
I see that. Okay. No, oh my god. Like this is for progress. I might have to practice at them on my other. I might have to practice with these races on my other save file. Okay.
You're doing pretty good so far.
Thanks, mate. There we go. Oh my god, they've kidnapped the star.
We'll save you, Sonic.
Save him? I was bringing him back, you nincompoop.
He was bringing him back?
No! For a bunch of runners, you guys weigh a ton.
I know we're lost, but another island is in serious trouble. I think closing all these fissures here is backing everything up somewhere else. We need to
Oh,
find
you
our way out of
think?
here and fix those fissures fast.
Fast is what I do best.
No, you absolutely do not do fast best. I'm sorry, but no. When I think of something Sonic does best, speed is not it.
No, it's completely unbelievable.
I'd say he's probably best at screwing up. Now let's go. Oh, we got 2 to find this time round. Lovely. I'm going to love this, aren't I? Excuse me? Oh, come on. What? Oh, for the love of... You are seeing this, aren't you?
Yep, I sure am.
Oh, for the love of... I'm not even crashing into the walls. Oh, for the... Right, if I... Right, do you know what? I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, and I'm not cutting that out either. That is staying in the video.
Tarpit
I
Dad.
just don't know where we are.
Did Amy just say we're not lost, we just don't know where we are?
Yep.
That's the exact definition of being lost. Isn't it? Right. Yeah, got the hammer. Right, pretty good. We got a hammer straight off the bat. Nice. Oh god, no. No, that's not what I want. Nuts, I've got a shield. What's up here? Okay, there's something hidden there. Can I get that, please? Okay. The hammer's coming down! Okay, trying to reference the Sonic Boom TV show and I get punished for it. That's great. The challenge room. Alright. What? What just hit me?
Dunno.
Nice. That's staying in the video as well. Okay. Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Okay. Oh. Right, that's it. I'm switching to Sonic. I'm switching to Sonic. I'm doing it. I'm switching to Sonic. I don't care if it's cheating. I'm switching to Sonic. Nice. What? Yes! Give me that! Oh my god. Are you for real? Yeah, I am not. I am not even going to try with that thing. Okay. Checkpoint! Yes! Checkpoint! I love those things in the Sonic games. I knew there was going to be something like that along here. Alright. Just going to go ahead and grab that checkpoint, because I have a funny feeling I'm going to get screwed right over real quick. Like that. Okay. Okay. I will not deny I'm slowly getting a little bit angry. I'm surprised I haven't cussed yet, honestly.
What does that mean?
Cussed means swear. I'm surprised I haven't done that yet. You do that a lot with Sonic games. But then again, I never did it in my Shattered Crystal Let's Play. Or my Generations Let's Play. So those games must be pretty decent. Right. Just going to collect all of these emblems. Yes! End the level, please. Oh my god. If you want to be put in a foul mood, play a Sonic game. It usually, well, it always works. Because, in fact, that's the one thing in a Sonic game that actually works right. You get put in a foul mood. Frozen Splash. But you know what? I honestly don't want to even look at that, if I'm honest. With my luck, I'm past that.
We'll find our way out.
Yeah, probably. I mean, you clearly did, because you made it to Sonic Frontiers perfectly fine. Is this another hidden unlockable? Oh, it's a shield. That's going to come in handy around here, I'm sure. Okay. You don't want to switch to fire at that moment. You just want to stay on the ice mechanics. Okay. I mean, you guys know me, I'm not normally this angry, but with Sonic, anger's practically a sure thing.
Oh, don't I know it? I've played a lot of Sonic games in my time and gone angry at them.
Yeah, that goes without saying. Because anger's practically a certainty. And I'll never forgive myself for doing this, but what you got? Okay, I'm glad those were springs and not... My fire wouldn't come out! He was not going into fire just then. Okay, I can't get that. I thought I could get that, but I couldn't. Yeah, I pressed A just then. You saw me.
Just take a deep breath. I'm sure you're nearly there.
Okay, no. Give me that. Thank you.
You're nearly there.
I must be close by now, surely. If one more trap hits me, one more, I mean one more trap hits me, I'm gonna really lose it. What are you doing?
Looks like he's trying to spin on the ground.
Yeah, we'll go that way. Yes. I don't even care. I don't even care, honestly. I just don't care. I'm not seeing a worm tunnel. I guess there isn't one. Yes! Oh my god. Finally. Oh my god, I'm finally out of that jungle. Oh my god. Right, that's going to do it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you with... I don't know.
Maybe part 4 of Sonic Boom Fire and Ice.
Shut up, Byleb.